from allocating further resources to that vote for private universities, Honorable Chair, without the prior approval of this House. And it is time, Honorable Speaker, that this House took its work seriously, Honorable Speaker, because we pride ourselves as a budget-making House, but we continuously allow the National Treasury to abuse our mandate by allocating money through under Article 223 without being verified, Honorable Speaker. Last week, Honorable Speaker, the CS education was right here. And remember, you remember, Honorable Speaker, me putting it to the CS, that there are indeed cartels that have taken over the running of the State Department for University Education. Honorable Speaker, it is surprising if you looked at the documents that were tabled by the CS. Mount Kenya University is being allocated in the last financial year a figure of 731 million when Karatina University is down on its knees. Egerton University, Honorable Speaker, is being closed down. The same with Moi University. Our premier university, the University of Nairobi. Yes, it is the University of Nairobi. You know, Honorable Speaker, I went to the University of Nairobi. And the university, Mr. Speaker, the premier university, which I am sure you also attended, Madam Chair, is also on its knees financially. It is immoral. It is unethical of us as leaders to be allocating money to private businesses in the pretext, and I say this without flinching an eyelid, Honorable Speaker, in the pretext that we are funding university students, what we call publicly funded university students in private universities. I did put it to the CS here last week, Honorable Speaker, that until they give us a forensic audit showing us who are these students in these private universities. If you go to some of these universities getting 700 million, Speaker, this money is being allocated to mere numbers, not students. There are no students in classrooms. Honorable Speaker, look at the figures going to Kabarak University. And when we spoke about state capture in this country, people thought we were playing around or we were just playing politics. State capture is real. Business people have taken over the running of government ministries. Business cartels have taken over the work of legislating and appropriating resources on behalf of the people. It is you members here who are charged with that responsibility of appropriating money, not business people out there who are appropriating money for profit, not for public good. Honorable Speaker, we must now rise to the occasion and appropriate money appropriately.